Hey guys, Jason Surviving Dad Life. Today I'm going to do my first little cooking video. As you can see, my little outdoor kitchen's not all ready to go and that kind of stuff yet, but I'm getting there. I got my smoker, my other grill, and then I've got my flat top. Today I'm just going to make myself some lunch. It's just going to be for me, and I'm going to do something simple. It's a Philly cheesesteak, but it's, my way. One thing is we've gotten away from cooking. We like to go out and eat a lot, and you can do things simple at home with not many ingredients, and it doesn't take too long. So I'm going to get started with this Philly cheesesteak. The ingredients that I've got today is, like I said, it's simple. The meat I like, I know a traditional Philly has ribeye, but the meat that I chose is a sirloin. I like a real lean meat. I don't like a bunch of fat in it. And then a little bit of chopped onions, some cheese, and I like American cheese. I think it melts good, and I like the way it tastes. And then just a regular old bun, which I forgot in the house. I'm gonna grab that real quick. Okay, I got my bread now. I'm gonna use my knife. I just got this, in the bakery section there at the grocery store. I'm gonna go ahead and, as good as I can, cut this thing down the middle without putting a huge hole in my hand. Okay, first thing we're going to start out with, so I'm going to get a little bit of oil. And you know how it is on these flat tops, a little bit of oil helps keep things from sticking. And I'm going to take my onions, get those on there. I don't have a whole lot of onions, just making one sandwich. I don't know how good you guys can see that. There we go. But I'm just going to cook these for a minute, let them get brown. My burners are off on that side. This side I've got on low where these onions are. And then this side here is about a medium high. That's where I'm going to put my steak at. But anyway, man, the onions smell good. The only thing I put seasoning on is the onions. A little bit of salt, a little bit of, this is that tri-blend pepper. And a little bit of pepper on my onions. And that's it. Okay, those are going to start cooking and they're going to warm up and brown up on me. Next thing is I'm going to put my meat on here. I don't know how you guys like your steak or whatever, but I'm one of them guys that likes a medium to a medium well. I mean, the cow's already dead, so I don't know how to say it. All I know is I like my steak cooked. I don't want that sucker mooing at me when I'm cooking, when I'm eating it. But we're gonna cook these up. Your meat, you want to cut as thin as possible, so it's not gonna take very long at all for it to brown and cook through. Matter of fact, I probably could have put them on sooner, but hopefully you guys can see this stuff pretty well. My onions, are getting there. They're pretty close. The meat, I mean, as fast as it cooks, it's almost done. I'm going to flip it over and get the other side of it and get it cooked and then go from there. Y'all be gentle on me in the comments. I know I'm not one of those medium rare kind of guys, or rare or whatever. I'm more of a medium well, so be gentle in the comments. Speaking of comments, also make sure you like and subscribe so I can put out more cooking videos. I mean, I know I've done some car stuff, some fishing stuff's going to be coming soon, outdoor stuff, but this is all things that us dads do. I'm not just a regular go fishing and that's kind of it kind of guy. I'm a let's do everything kind of guy. And that's how us dads are. We're supposed to be a, you know, more well-rounded individuals. We know everything, right? Okay, I'm going to turn my heat down. As a matter of fact, I'm going to turn my heat off. And then I'm going to mix this meat in with my onion. Then the next thing I like to do is, see how my length of my bun? I don't know how well you guys can see this here, but I like to lay my meat out to where it's about the same size as that bun. Okay, and that's going to be pretty close. Take this bun down here. We're going to let it get a little color to it. Well, and then I'm going to put the cheese on if I can figure out how to open it. Alright, got my cheese on. All that stuff should be good. Once you put the cheese on, everything's pretty much done. And all you're going to do is put that stuff on your bread. There we go. Got a little bit of color. Okay. As you can see, hopefully you can see it pretty well. My cheese is melted real well on the meat. I hope that's in here. Bottom side of the bread, I'm going to lay that right down on there. Take my spatula, see if I can do this without making a fool out of myself. And then flip her over. Woo boy, that's hot. That's alright. Oh boy. Okay, let me get that down there over here. Okay, be right back. Alright. Got all that ready. One thing that I've discovered recently is real mayonnaise. You know, I've been eating mayonnaise, you know, for years, and I had no idea that I was eating the wrong mayonnaise. So I'm gonna hold this up here. We're gonna put us, I'm not a big mayonnaise fan, but I like a little bit, like a thin layer. I'm gonna pop that on. There we go. Got me a thin layer of mayonnaise going on there. And look, there. I don't know about you guys, but that's edible. So anyway, I'll take, you know, down in the comment section below, you know, or in the, oh, what do you call it? Where you put everything about the video and stuff, the description. I'll put in there what I use, but there's not that much stuff. It's very simple. Salt and pepper, just for your onions. Cook your onions till they get a little brown, a little soft. And then, you know, mix it together once your meat's cooked. No seasoning on the meat. Throw that cheese on there, brown your bread. Very simple. But that's going to be my take on a Philly cheesesteak sandwich. Alright, now it's time for my favorite part of the video. Which should be everyone's favorite part. It's taking me a bite. Oh. Mmm. Should have brought me some napkins. Oh man. This is one of those meals I could eat every day. This is so good. Meat's tender. You taste just the flavor of the meat because there's no seasoning in it. But right away you get a little bit of onion. Then you can get into that meat. You taste a little bit of that meat. That Duke's mayonnaise. Mmm. You guys got to go out and make you one of these. Maybe next time I'll put some more meat on that thing. Anyway, this is Jason for Surviving Dad Life. Y'all get out of here. Go make your own sandwich. I'm eating. Mmm. Mmm.